welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a updated version of my dining room. I changed a few things. I've changed the tapestry. Also, I took off the black chair covers from my dining chairs, and I changed the tablescape. So now let's get started. The first thing I want to show you guys is my very nice tablescape. As you can see, it is very summery. It is decorated with layers of plates, and also with a very floral tone. As you can see, I have beautiful colorful flowers and beautiful colorful place mats. And the four placemats, I'm only using two of them right now. These beautiful floral flowers and tropical type placemats I purchased from Burlington. They were on sale for $3. So I decided just to use two because I didn't want it to look too busy. And I have layers of plates, and the plates, two of the plates are from the Dollar Tree, and the one on the top I purchased from a secondhand store. And the napkin ring holders I purchased from Amazon, and also I purchased the napkins from Amazon. And I thought the little plates in the middle, I got those from a secondhand store also, and they turned out to be very nice with this tablescape. And I called my tablescape tropical with some exotic flair. And in the middle, you will see a very nice table runner I purchased yet again from a secondhand store. And the glasses I had many years, and they are, I believe, also from a secondhand store. And they're very tropical looking, and they go very well with the placemats. And in the middle of the plates, the layered plates actually it's not napkins, they are dish towels I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And what I did was purchase two of them and cut them in half to make four, and I think they make the best napkins. And in the center you have a beautiful centerpiece that I put together with flowers from the Dollar Tree, Michael's, and I added my little grapes, faux grapes, and napkin ring holders in the middle to give it a more tropical summer and elegant feel. And it turned out great. And that is the tablescape, my summer tablescape. And the chairs, of course, went with my dining set. I just had before, if you notice my previous videos, dining room videos, you will notice that their chairs were black, but they were dining chair covers that I purchased from Amazon. And now these are the original chairs to the dining table. And I took them, the covers off, and it turned out very nice with my setting. And now I will show you the update to my wall area, which happens to be a different tapestry. You guys know I love tapestries. This one is a door tapestry, and what I did was add candle holders, candelabras to it to give it a more realistic feel. And I added those small mirrors to it. And in the middle, I also added a candle holder, which happens to be turned upside down, so it could look more like a handle. I love decorating with wall tapestries. I think they make the walls look grand. And that is pretty much all my updates to my dining space. And over here, excuse me, one little thing. Over here, I just added different flowers to the vase, and I added different tassels to the knobs of the cabinet, and that is pretty much the updates to my dining area. And soon I will be decorating for the fall, but right now this is my summer look to my dining space and tablescape area. And the wall here, I just added the butterflies that I previously had on the opposite wall. And the clock, it does work. It's just that I don't have it on because it makes a lot of noise. And that is pretty much it for my dining room. And now I will give you guys a short overview, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and many blessings. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching, and many blessings.